Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms. In that, mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound Tragakant powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragakant mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound Tragakant powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the Tragakant mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound Tragakant powder or Tragakant mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weightable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's discuss about the experiment number 12. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit mixture containing indiffusible solids 10 ml. This is the formulation and method of preparation of mixture containing indiffusible solids. Preposition 1. Prepared chalk is indiffusible solid and therefore suspending agent is required. Learning objectives of today's experiment are to understand how to formulate and dispense the mixture containing indiffusible solids and ability to prepare and submit the prescription accurately. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, muslin cloth, funnel, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 30 is equal to 0.33. The prescription is written here as in the Latin term Rx. So let's discuss in detail about the formulation table, and we will going to discuss this prescription in this formulation table. So type, that is the name of ingredient. Translation means the name of type, that is the use of ingredient. Category of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system, that is 30 ml. Quantity given in the metric system, that is also 30 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system, which is for 10 ml. So first of all, prepared chalk, which is used as antacid. Quantity given in imperial system is GR 1 grain XXX, that is Roman 10 30. So 1 grain is equal to 60 milligram. 60 into 30 we will get 60 milligram into 30 we will get 1800 milligram in the metric system, and by multiplying it with 0.33 we will get 594 milligram. as we multiplying this with 0.33 as that is factor. Second, Catechu tincture used as antidiarrheal. MXX means 1 minim is equal to 1 drop is equal to 0.06 ml. So 0.06 into 20, this is Roman XX, that is 20. So 0.06 into 20 we will get 1.2 ml. This is a quantity given, but for preparing 10 we will multiply it by 0.33, so we will get 0.396 ml. And cinnamon water used as a vehicle, that is ounce I means 30 into 1, so we will get 30 ml. And quantity used in for preparing 10 ml up to 10 ml. Direction is 1 tablespoonful to be taken every 2 hours. So now let's move for performing actual experiment in the laboratory. Let's proceed for performing the actual experiment in laboratory. So first of all, we have already this prepared chalk powder already made. Then gum tragacan powder, as this is needed because this prepared chalk is the indivisible solid. So according to that chemical incompatibility method B, we have to add this gum tragacan powder for dissolving these indivisible solids. So this gum tragacan powder is also made, and then cinnamon oil, from which we already prepared cinnamon water, and this is the Catechu tincture. So first of all, we will going to take this prepared chalk into mortar. As I already told, as this is indivisible solid, so we have to add tragacan powder 2 gram per 100 ml. In this proportion, this tragacan powder is always taken, and we will add 3/4 volume of this vehicle, and let's proceed for trituration. Then collected that formulation after trituration from this mortar and taken in this beaker. So now we will, as some particles are seen, so we will proceed for filtration. This filter paper is same as that of grade of muslin cloth. So let's proceed for filtration. So now collect this filtrate and let's proceed for volume makeup. So first of all, we will taking this measuring cylinder and going to add this formulation into measuring cylinder as we make up the volume up to 10 ml. So after making the volume up to 10 ml with the help of vehicle, now let's pour it into this container and let's proceed for labeling. So after filling this that formulation in this amber colored glass bottle, we will proceed for label, as this label is also prepared. So let's see about the label. Labeling of formulation: mixture containing indivisible solids